Caleb, do you see the ice? Look at all the ice falling down. Do you see it? Where's the ice? Ooh, there it is. All the ice is coming down on the ground and on the table. That's right. You see the ice on the table?
Yeah, that's crazy, Caleb.
Caleb, isn't that crazy? This is your first hail experience. How old are you, buddy? 11 and a half months.
Wow, do you see the hail, Caleb?
Caleb, look at that. So much ice on the ground. We thought it was water, but it's not. It's not water at all. Caleb's enjoying this hail experience. Oh! During dinner. Yeah, don't forget to eat. Eat your mac and cheese.
You see all the hail?
Ooh, we can hear it now. Can you hear it? Ooh, Caleb. Oh my gosh, it's like so huge.
Crazy, huh, Caleb?
Caleb, what are you having for dinner? Where's your chicken? Where's the chicken? There it is. That's chicken. It's a pea. Chicken. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Good job. Good job. No, not in your hair. Don't put it in your hair. Hands off the hair. Yeah, that fell over. That's okay. We'll get some more. We'll get some more. You like watching the hail? Where's the hail?
You see the hail?
Where's the hail? There's the hail. There it is. It's on the ground. Oh, it looks like it all melted already. Well, the ice is melting. Oh,
Uh-oh.
bless you. Ooh.
Oh.
Yikes. That was silly. That was silly.
Caleb.